Woodfest is, it's one of my favorite events, and then 2 years ago I brought my mom, and so she makes me bring her every year. And one of the reasons why we love it is because there's so many different vendors that bring in their own crafts, and of course the focus is on wood, but there's also other vendors, and it's really special to give back to people who have a passion for building a craft and then want to sell that craft for other people.
And our purpose is to have a lot of fun with woodworking and be creative. We do everything from cutting boards to boxes to chip carving to building furniture.
We got involved with the Woodfest to showcase our students' woodwork. Oftentimes we're out in the back 40 here at the school and nobody knows what these kids are doing. And so we used it as a way to promote our program and to show off these wonderful things kids make that they take home, and we wanted the public to see what was going on.
The competition's doing well. We've got a bunch of new guys here. They're all trying. We've got 4 guys, 2 gals. They're at it. This is their first competition ever. So they've been around the circuit for a while, but they've never actually been in a competition.
Competition has been going really well. I am absolutely ecstatic. I feel like everybody here is really super good, and knowing that we're all amateurs and new at this, it's kind of neat to have a venue where we can go and try this out. And also, Eagle Haven Winery here is amazing. This is a great covered area, and it's been really a lot of fun.
I believe people are actually enjoying watching the carvings happening. We even set up some kid-friendly activities for the kids that come over here.
It's been great. It's built a lot of interest, and quite frankly, people have just been pulling in. Some have known all about it, some are learning about it, but everyone who's been here has loved it. It's been the most successful one we've had in a while.
So why I came to Woodfest is I made a ukulele for Woodfest that took me since September to make, and I'm really proud of it.
I like Woodfest. I've been here many years, and it looks like a good turnout this year.
And Woodfest is kind of a celebration of technology, and there's a lot of technology in that bike. They did a lot of work on LEDs. We talked about using computers and design. It's a whole process. It's project-based.
One of the things that I really appreciate about Woodfest is it kind of brings our community together. We are very special in Sedro-Woolley that we have all the timber industry around our community, and it's really what our community was based off of, especially with Janicki Industries. And so to celebrate all the unique items that are made with wood, it's just invaluable to our community. I love it.
As I said, we have a lot of fun, and it's very rewarding. And one of our members is walking around today with a t-shirt that says, "Sawdust is man glitter," and we agree.
What would you say to someone who's never been to Woodfest?
I'd say you're really missing out, because it actually is one of the cooler activities that you can come to, and it's free.
Definitely come, even if you think that's not your scene or what you like. You just got to see all the amazing things that people in the community have done.
I say they should come down and see what the high school kids have done. They do some awesome projects, and there's a lot of other vendors that they can check out, and it's a good time.
Perfect opportunity if you got birthday gifts that you're thinking about, or Mother's Day gifts, or Father's Day gifts. Like, instead of going to your standard mall shop, like, why come to Woodfest, and then you can purchase really meaningful gifts and give back to the people that are building their craft and then trying to earn a business on that.
It's a great opportunity to meet different artists here, very talented. You have to come at least once a year, If there is one event you don't want to miss, is Woodfest. Yeah.